Yep, pull it out. No, hold it. All right, there you go. Update what we're doing here. This is the hedge road job. Granddaddy was able to get a bobcat, so this is freaking sweet. This is a whole lot better than picking all this crap up by hand. I'm currently going to the next spot, so yeah, this is way better. I want one. It's got a cab. It's actually kind of cool in here. It's 90 degrees outside, but it's probably, I don't know, 70 maybe in here. Feels awesome. But I gotta go pull it up here. Gotta grab all this stuff up about this last little bit, and I'll show you where we dumped it all at. Recording? Yeah. All right. You're gonna have to deal with the little black spot here, but there you go. I'm recording on my phone. I don't have the GoPro with me right now. But that's the third load. No, that's the second load. Right there. Sorry. Grumpy, he left. Well, we got it tied down. You can kind of see it's a pretty good bit. But so that's that. I'll show you guys. Hold on. Somebody in the yard right there, and I can't stand talking to a phone or a camera. Somebody's watching. Still getting embarrassed a little bit, but anyway, now we're gonna go unload it all, and since we have the bobcat, we're gonna push it all up. We're gonna push it all up into a bigger pile for him. So that's that. Thank the Lord. That's over with. Alright. This is, I reckon, just gonna be a little quick update video. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. All my other videos are way longer. So check those out. Check a bunch of them. Alright. Here's the burn pile now. All he had in there was a little bit of junk here and there. He had that bed liner, but that oak limb, that was it. That's all he had in there. The rest of it is from that hedgerow, and then that other job that I've been working on, digging the trees up and stuff. So that's a lot, especially for somebody that's not equipped for that. I should not have signed up for that. So, lesson for all of this: don't sign up for anything just because you need money. Don't do that, because you'll be done work yourself to death, work 2 or 3 people to death. Don't do it. And it ain't, you know. Oh, look at that. That's a South Carolina mosquito right there, buddy. You see that? Hold on. You see that sucker? Look at it. That is a South Carolina mosquito, buddy. Oh, hell, I ain't kill him. Oh, I gotta get rid of him. Yeah, that's what we deal with down here. It's bad. But anyway, I'll holler at y'all later. Like and subscribe if you will. I'm about to either die or kill something. Y'all be safe. Peace.